You made it honestly pretty far, all considered. With this, there's nowhere you're gonna park. All right, guys. So we were making a lap down the beach, going south, and we got a call for one or maybe more than one vehicle behind us. So we helped push someone out, and then we hooked the U-turn, and now we're headed back. I think it's a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and maybe like RAV4 or something. So tag along. What's up, buddy? So it's just rear wheel drive?
Down it should be fine, but
yeah, you got to go a little bit further. Yeah, if you, it's like 10-15 minutes.
I mean, I wouldn't have even come if I saw this. I just saw that and I was like, oh, that's fine. As soon as I turned, I'm like,
yeah.
It's like that. I tried to get as far over the hard pack stuff as I could.
You honestly made it really far in two-wheel drive. Like I'm
surprised you're in two-wheel drive.
Yeah, like that's about as far as I would have expected.
That lady's been going. She's buried herself.
Yeah. I'm not surprised. My only thing is that's technically a one-way, and on a busy day like this, if we get people coming down it, it's a BITCH to get you out of that ramp.
Okay.
So what might be easier is if I just hook up to the front of you, and you're light enough, I can just drag you to the next ramp and get you out there. It's probably the easiest way to do it.
I was just gonna park somewhere, honestly, and then just.
The only thing with this, there's nowhere you're gonna park. They'll allow low side parking if you're handicapped, and I don't see a placard. But you will not be able to park in any of this. You will not be able to get off the beach. You'll be calling me again.
No, I mean, I'm going to park somewhere like...
Off the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
But how far is it? Because I let them out. I was just going to walk back here. But if it's far, then I'll grab them.
That yellow lifeguard count. Like, you can walk to it, but it's a little bit of a walk.
Yeah, I'll have them come with me.
Okay, all right.
Guys!
Yeah, so what I'd be able to do is we can run a throttle to the two front control arms. I'd just put a rope on it, and we just get you back in the lane and bring you down to the next ramp.
Okay.
Basically, you'll just be in there. We're just going to put it in drive. You have traction control off?
No.
Okay, that'll help us a little bit. But you want to leave some tension on the line. I just want you helping a little bit so you're not dead weight. All right, well, we're going to get hooked up.
All right.
I'm scared to make tight U-turns and pour low because of the
Exactly
axles,
what
bro.
he just said.
You can hear them clicking, dude. It's scary. It's like PTSD every time. Yeah, I honestly think we'll probably be fine with the 20. Is that the 20? I think that might be the 30. Yeah, it's the 30. So I'm going under sway bar right on the inside of the control arm. Once we're all hooked up, we'll just have that wheel straight with me. Like I said, we'll just keep the light on the gas. Try and keep some tension on the line. The only other, big thing is coming around that ramp. I'll take it a little wide, make sure we're aware and leaving tension on the line, and we'll stop on the corner. Okay. Any questions?
Keep it tight.
Yeah, keep it tight. You just want to help me a little bit, but you'll be able to tell, what's too much and you're coming up.
Okay.
And if you have any, anything happen, you always honk at me. No, it's because when I pull on something and I pull it at an angle, if I catch it right, it'll, like if there's tension, it'll slide this.
Oh, I see.
So look.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
All right, straight down. We're good now. Turn the wheel this way a little bit. All right. I was just about to say this guy's doing a pretty good job of keeping tension, and then he let tension go. Dude, I hate those corners. I'm glad I'm not using the 30 because, like, it's right when they have the chance. Good job, dude. Yeah. Of course. Doing catches. Really?
Okay,
Not really, to be honest. Every once in a
like
while.
an idiot for 40
Well, some
bucks.
people are in like government cars.
Oh, okay,
They're
yeah,
like,
I
you
don't
know.
want Yeah.
So sometimes they're like, I have a reason.
Yeah, if you got
but
information.
Some people share with their family like, oh yeah, no reason not to.
I'll
Yeah,
look like the idiot that got
absolutely.
stuck and pay attention to
It is what it is.
It happens.
We're in St. Augustine. We were
Yeah.
fine, and it looked
Really?
about
The
the
sand
same.
pack's
Yeah.
a lot better up there.
But as soon as we turned that corner and I saw that, I'm like, this is
You were
a
like, oh
mistake.
shoot. And you made it honestly pretty
Yeah.
far, all considered.
I have a lot of speed.
Y'all have a good
Yeah,
one, all right?
yeah.
All right, we got that one. Now we're gonna see if that phone calls the RAV4 or not. I don't know if I. Hello?
Yeah.
Hi, John Santo.
Hi, yes.
What kind of vehicle are you driving, ma'am?
She's in a RAV4 Toyota.
Gotcha. Okay, I know where you're at. We were just there getting the other one, so let me.
Oh, okay.
Yep, let me turn around and I'll come back up that way. Okay?
All right, thank you.
Yep, of course, mate. Let me take a look real quick.
This thing is stuck.
Well, not too much going on there.
I mean, hypothetically, I could go to the rear control arms.
We could get that open.
There's someone working on it right now, though.
Or is that what they're working on? Or is it the porta potty? I thought it was the tub.
It might be the porta potty guys. I don't know. I just see hazard lights.
Yeah, he's in the porta potty.
On the porta potty? Okay. Yeah, I think we could still get them out around. Otherwise, well.
What you trying to work out?
I'm gonna see if it's gonna be a bitch or not to get to the front control arms.
Yeah. The front end definitely sank on this.
Oh. Yeah. Alright, so I think what the best thing to do, this ramp is kind of hard to open and go in reverse. They got it all closed. So I can dig it out a good bit, get connected to the front, and I would just hook up a rope and pull you down. It's probably only a few football fields there to the next ramp, and just get you off there. Alright, we're going to work on getting it hooked up. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. I like those wheels. You're all good. Yes, sir.
Dude, badass truck, man.
Love that thing.
I'm Black Creek Towing.
Yes, sir. Concrete towing?
I think he said Black Creek.
Oh, Black Creek stuff. Thank you. I'll take a look. Good about yourself, buddy. I'll be waiting for it. That's what they were just saying. I'll take a look. See you, buddy. Got it. I'll let you know if I need some help. It looks like spraying in two-wheel drive. Beautiful. All right, all the way the other way. You want it? Now you know where it's at. God, so much. Isn't that bad, dude? And it's so tightly packed, isn't it? It's like actually like hard from being tight packed. It's like a press machine. The car just sinks and it just like makes the sand that much harder.
Oh yeah.
Like actually damn near digging into concrete. He sent that.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna slide out.
I know he did. Up. I'm gonna get in front of you here. I'm gonna give it a nice easy pull, and you're just gonna follow me like my caboose. So you're just a little bit of gas and just keeping the wheel straight with me. We want to try and keep tension on the line, okay? And the only other thing, when we come around that corner onto the ramp, we'll take it nice and slow and wide. Big emphasis on the tension, okay? All right. Dude, I know.
All good?
Damn near doing too good of a job leaving tension on the line. Yeah. Like I need a little bit of help.
Too much tension.
Too much tension. Sweet. Beautiful. Here, turn the wheel that way. Solid. Mission accomplished.
Mission
2 for 2.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Colin. All right.
A little later.
We got a call for a little Jeep Wrangler on stocks that got stuck up, so we're gonna get him out of here.
Yo, Johnny, I'm the one that just called, bro. What's up?
What's up, buddy?
I saw this guy get stuck in. Are we gonna be on video?
What's up, buddy? Yeah, if you want to be.
I bet, yeah.
All right, so you got the front hooks. I'm basically just gonna throw a quick bridle on it, put a quick kinetic rope on it, and we're gonna rip you out of here, okay?
Awesome.
Yeah. I noticed he graded around you. That's pretty funny. You can see the split off of where he graded. All right, just put it in drive, a little bit of gas.
Meanwhile.
I know, right?
Awesome.
Yep, man. Of course. You got a little bit sandy there, did you?
I don't know, man.
Did you have some fun at least?
Been driving many times. That's the first time I fucked.
That's fair. That's fair. Yeah, it's gotten torn up. All them Jeeps been rolling through it all day. Yeah, it's great. Full-time business. Yep, yep. Awesome. Perfect. You're all good to go. Have a good one, buddy. Well, there you go, guys. We got the little Wrangler out of the way.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.